也是15秒左右吧。I will do it about 60 seconds to 20 seconds. It should depend on you want to make
现在15秒。
anti-silver to with the deeper color over the light color. So just now I do it by the 15 minutes, 15 seconds, okay? So I do the 3 times washing again.
冲水就是20秒。
冲水不用按下去，我们就看。
那就是15秒。
So just now I do the 50 seconds in our 12 nickel chemical tank. As I say to you, if you don't want to do the zipper plating by hand, then you can buy our automatic zipper plating machine. We have the 2 times chemical plating machine for anti-silver. Okay, now let's see the result. Because here don't have the dryer machine, so I use my hand to dryer and see the result. Let's go to that side. Okay, come to this side. Okay, so this is the anti-silver. And let me show. We can clean it or not by hand. So you see, it's very, very strong, and you cannot clean it. Look at, very, very strong. Okay, we can take one paper, and I show to you. Okay, let's see by here. Okay, a little come out, just a little, but it doesn't matter. It's still very strong. Okay, so this is the anti-silver color which we made. All the same. Okay, all the same.